Menteri Rambak Kajelah ukon rat sangma ula pentip mentaka sengi ka arpu atrik leber arja arpu ar balatung thema ya ki regional committee ki ban pek ban khmi na kam ta ka jeng penbit board aka benta ka ba ar apa pentip ya kani apa yung darbar ukon rat lai thu manam ta ka ribhoi ya ka committee on khlieh do ba Prestone song deputy chief minister nam ta ka West Kashmir district on khlieh do ba polling do minister jong ka sarkar jela ban na ka benta ka West Gentil district ban ya ka committee on khlieh do ba Sniawbhalang dhar ubolong minister jong ka sarkar jela.
Now reconstituted the committees, and this may be the best opportunity for me to read out the names of the new committee members. So for Ribhoi as committee, the regional committee, Shri Prestone Tinsong, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police, will be the chairperson. The members will be Shri Sostenes Sotun, MLA of Jirang and the government chief whip. Third member will be Shri Merilbon CM, the MLA of Nongpo. The fourth member will be Shri Damanbait Lamare, MLA of Umroi constituency. The fifth member will be Charles Marangar, the MLA of Mohati constituency. Sixth member is Shri Jambor War, the executive member of the KHEDC in charge Ilaka. And number 7, the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi will be the member convener. So West Khasi Hills, the reconstituted committee will be as follows. Shri Paul Lingdo, Minister in charge Social Welfare, will be the chairperson. Shri R.L. Tonkar, MLA Mokurwat, will be member. Shri Methodius Dakar, MLA Moshendut, will be member. Shri Remington Gabal Momin, MLA Ramrai Janangam constituency, will be member. Shri Jigur Marthong, Deputy CEM of KHADC, will be a member. Shri Banjop Pinrop, MDC of Ramrai Janangam KHADC, will be a member. And Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills will be the member convener. For West Jente Hills, Shri Sniawbhalang Dhar, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, etc., will be the chairperson. Number 2, Shri Kamingwon Umban, Minister Food and Civil Supplies, will be a member. Number 3, Shri Lakmen Rumbui, MLA of Amlarem constituency, will be a member. 4, Shri Nujurki Sungo, MLA of Mokayo constituency, will be a member. 5, Shri Thombor Shivat, CEM of Jente Hills Autonomous District Council, will be a member. 6, Shri Aiborlang Shadap, the MDC of Boroto Mukro of Jente Hills Autonomous District Council, will be a member. And number 7, the Deputy Commissioner of West Jente Hills will be the member convener, sir. Hence, the committees have now been reconstituted. This was done about a week back, and the notification was out a week back. But I thought that it's good that I will mention it now on the floor of the House. This may be the best time to share it with everyone. And soon we will be, after the session is over, maybe sometime in the month of April or May, we will initiate the first rounds of talk, where we will ask the regional committees also to be present. And post that, as has been done before, we will ensure that detailed and deep consultations take place with different stakeholders, and meetings take place at the grassroots level in ground zero to really understand all the points and the concerns of the people living in those areas, and also obviously of all the stakeholders like the district council and the traditional heads and the different civil society and all other stakeholders concerned. We will take them into confidence and do deep consultation before we decide on how to move forward. And while I say that, sir, I have to admit that